Hey guys, Harvey Sydnor here. I'm from Richmond, Virginia, and I decided to join this drone command live because my business, trying to get my business off the ground, just spinning wheels, not getting traction anywhere. It's like, what am I doing wrong? Maybe these guys could help me. Then when I came into this, Damon and Diego, so energetic, so knowledgeable. They've been in this business for years. They understand, they've seen it all, and they've also helped others in the exact same position that I'm in. So them bringing their information to me, such as the advertising part, that's what I struggle with. I can put so much stuff out there and nobody takes interest to it. Why not? I learned why not. So now I can go back, correct my mistakes, and they'll tell you if you're making a mistake or not. But don't take that to heart. Take that as a lesson and what you can do to correct all of that. But don't hesitate. Jump in the training, get educated, and see that you can make a six-figure income flying a drone.